When you're planning your family vacation out there, you gotta wonder, are those really famous tourist attractions all they're cracked up to be? Well, not according to some reviewers on a website called Yelp, who slams some of your favorite destinations. Here's a critique of the Grand Canyon. As amazing as the views are, it's really kind of boring. Every 500 feet, a new vantage point of the same thing, a really big hole in the ground. What would be nice is Segway rentals. Hey, man, it's the Grand Canyon. It's one of the biggest wonders in the world. You quit breathing when you see it. Now, Marcus had this to say about Rome's Colosseum. He said, yeah, it's great at night, but put some lights on that abandoned GM assembly plant in Detroit, and you'd have about the same thing without any long visitor line. I mean, come on, man. You know what happened in this building here? You comparing it to the GM assembly plant in Detroit? Man, come on, dude. Then that was this review of the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. I refuse to pay any amount of money to see antiques collecting dust. All right, then this guy was really unhappy when he finally saw the Statute of Liberty. As a proud American, I wanted to love this, but was grossly underwhelmed. Old Lady Liberty is just that, old. Did you think they just put it out there last Friday? Well, folks, that's it for today. I want to say thanks to all my guests. Remember, you can catch up with me on Facebook at Steve Harvey TV.